Hello,
Hello, sir.
what's your name?
My name is Ranu Chauhan.
Ranu, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Gajendra Singh Chauhan.
Okay, Ranu, where are you from?
I am from Kumthi.
You are from Kumthi. How far is Kumthi from Khandwa?
Kumthi is 25 kilometers from Khandwa.
Okay, 25 kilometer far from here. Okay, so Ranu, are you studying?
Yes,
I'm studying.
I am studying in BCom first year.
You are studying BCom. Okay, so what do you want to become?
I want to become a CS.
You want to become CS.
Yes.
Okay, what is the full form of CS? Do you know?
Yes.
What is the full form of it?
The full form of CS is Company Secretary or Chartered Secretary.
Okay, so is it your dream or your family wants?
Yes, it is my dream.
It's your dream. So what are you doing for it?
I prepared for.
I'm preparing for.
I am preparing for CS journey.
In how many attempts? कितने अटेम्प्ट में इसको आपने किया?
2 attempts.
Okay. In 2 attempts,
In
I
two-
completed it.
Uh,
Okay, and I cleared it. Okay. Ranu, do you have siblings?
yes, I have 2 siblings.
2 siblings.
Yes.
Sisters and brother.
Yes, elder sister and 1 elder brother.
Okay. Means they both are elder than you and you are younger than them.
Yes.
Okay. So what they are doing? Are they studying or got married?
No, they both are studying.
They both are studying. So what are they studying?
Both are biofield and
Both are from biofield.
yes,
Okay. And you are from commerce field.
stream. Yes.
So why did you choose commerce field? They chose biofield and you chose.
because if we need to become मतलब
What?
in biofield. So biofield is very expensive after 12th. If
Okay.
we want right way.
So and second thing you can also say that you wanted to be and you wanted to be and you want to be
Yes.
what? CS. That's why you didn't choose bio.
Yes, I want to become CS professional person, so I choose commerce stream.
I chose
commerce.
commerce. Okay, so do you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed.
Okay, which subject do you think that it's a little difficult in commerce?
Commerce, not even difficult because I enjoyed very well.
You enjoyed it very well.
Yes.
So you don't think any subject difficult?
No.
Okay, that's very nice.
In 10th class, I was feared about mathematics. So
I was afraid of.
I was afraid of mathematics.
Mathematics.
So I choose commerce.
So with whom are you living?
My friends.
I'm living with my friends.
Yes.
I'm living with my friends.
I'm living with my friends.
Okay. So Ranu, just I want to know about your village. So would you please tell me about your village?
Yes.
Take it. And start speaking.
My village is far from Khandwa, 25 kilometers.
Okay.
And my village is very good. Their people are also good, and atmosphere is also good. And my home is outside from my village, and the head of my village is Mukesh Mahajan.
Okay.
He is also a good person.
Now just tell me, since when have you been coming to day coaching?
I am coming.
I have been coming
I have been coming from 8 days.
for 8 days.
For 8 days.
Okay. So do you like DAKE?
Yes, I like DAKE.
What do you like in DAKE?
I like teaching style of teachers, and I like their type.
The environment. Its
हाँ,
environment.
Its environment. The behavior of teachers are very friendly with students.
Okay.
So I like DAKE coaching.
Okay. So do you think that and for how many days you are just coming here? आप यहाँ कितने दिन के लिए आ रहे हो?
For 2 months.
Okay. I have been. I am just coming here for
2 months.
मतलब आप 2 महीनों के लिए आप यहाँ आ रहे हो.
Yes.
Okay. So why do you think that English should be learnt? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि अंग्रेजी सीखी जानी चाहिए?
Because English is very necessary for everybody, and every person learn English, and after 12th every person मतलब fluent English speak fluent English.
Okay.
And also if we are in a competitive exam, almost exams are written in English, so English is very necessary.
Oh, and that's why you are learning English language.
Yes.
Okay. So do you enjoy learning English language?
Yes, I enjoyed very well.
And what do you think? Is English easy or difficult?
If we know about English and if we enjoyed to study and learn English, so English is easy. If think that English is difficult, English
Okay.
is boring, so don't.
It
you-
would be
it would be difficult.
surely difficult.
it-
Okay. So just tell me, what are you learning in English?
I'm learning in English. मतलब क्या?
हाँ, क्या सीख रहे हो आप इंग्लिश में?
Tense, models, to be, to have.
So in 8 days, what have you completed? 8 दिनों में आपने क्या क्या कंप्लीट किए हैं?
I have completed to be, to have, models, tenses,
Okay.
and
And some useful vocabularies.
yes,
Okay. So do you think that are they enough to speak?
yes, it is
Yes, they are
enough. And start speaking and stage performance faced. This is very
Okay. Now
helpful.
I just want to know that there are so many teachers those are just teaching lots of things
Yes.
in English language, but actually they are not making practice.
Yes.
So without practice, can person be a fluent speaker of English language?
No, without practice, impossible English.
So suppose if the student is just coming here,
Yes,
so what should we do?
more and more practice and
Give chance
listening.
to speak.
Yes,
Yeah,
give chance to speak,
to speak.
and more listening, and their teachers are very good. Not grammatically portion only studying. Also practice
They should
more
make
and more.
them, they should make them practice.
They should make them more and more practice to learn English.
Okay. Once a person told that speaking only comes by speaking.
Yes,
Speaking only comes by speaking. बोलना सिर्फ बोलने से आता है. So the more we speak, the more we become the fluent speaker of English language. So if you want to be the fluent speaker of English language, just try to speak. Whether you are right or wrong, it does not matter. But try to speak only in English
language.
Okay, but what we think, sometimes we think like that, oh my god, when I be perfect, that time I will start speaking English language. But if you are just waiting for the perfect day, the day will never come.
Yes.
This is the only day you have, and you have to use it. Whatever you know about English language, try to speak on it. Don't wait for perfect day, because it will not come, and it is not gonna come ever. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very nice.